Ang sinasabi ng Panginoon sa atin, tayo ay magpahinga sa ating Panginoon. Masin nyo mga kapatid, God is really concerned about your soul. And He wants to address your soul issue, not just your sleep issue. Ang gusto i-address ng Lord, hindi lang yung makatulog ka, kundi ang gusto ng Lord, yung ikaw ay makapagpahinga. Kasi alam ng ating Panginoong Yesus, ang solusyon sa bagay na pinagdadaanan mo today, ang solusyon sa yung effectivity is not sex, not money, not promotion, not expansion. Jesus is the solution. And when you got Jesus and His presence, your life will never be the same again. Unfortunately, for many of us, kasama na ako, we are planning without God's presence. And when you plan without His presence, that is a recipe for disaster. Gusto ng Lord, every plan, every goal, every dream of your life, you always include God. Especially right now that we are facing the next season, the next phase, the second half of the year. And listen to me, every time God looks at you and you are trying to pretend that you are okay,